Welcome this channel. Today's lesson is UI tab gesture recognition. We are learning today gesture recognition class. Using is Cocoa touch framework is most important parts of gesture. The first of all, gesture is any click event with some different events to click to touch access your event. So today's learn UI tab gesture recognition. So first of all, create tab gesture UI tab gesture. So adding this method is a selector and target at the self. Target is a overview controller is the self and selector. So selector. So create objective C function and view tab gesture and the function class is a gesture UI tab gesture. So copy this and paste it here and tab gesture dot button mask required, but this is not required. Property is optional types. This is a tab required. That is numbers of tab to call this our function. We are required default one and tab gesture dot numbers of touch required. So one touch, two touch finger, three touch finger, four touch finger as per your requirement over like this gaming. So two touch, three touch. This touch event numbers of finger to added. So we are need one and tab gesture view dot add gesture. So our tab gesture is added and the gesture is a multiple property. So using switch statement gesture dot state like this begin cancel changed and add failed possible or recognition. So we are not using all properties. We are need some printing out of click event. So click tag. So run our project and click to call our tab gesture function. So click this view, run our project, but our view controller by default view background color is white. Default is a black, but we are changed in white color. So any view to tab to print our click tab gesture. This is a single event. Clear. Click to print. This is a tab gesture to like this work is button but not required area. Thank you for watching this video. Like video, share video, subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell. You will get notification my latest video. Thank you.